Rachel Holt for NESN.com here with John Halpin of Fox Sports. John, thanks for joining us. Waiver wire is very important this week. First off, we've been saying Jay Ajayi is the guy to pick up on the waivers, and you could get him as late as last week, and if you did, you hit a gold mine. Is there any guy like this that you can see, maybe not this week, but down the road being a great waiver wire pickup?
Devontae Booker for the Broncos, he seems to be in a pretty straight timeshare with C.J. Anderson. Now, he won't be like Ajayi and take a job, but he's probably got half a job on a team that's going to run a lot. Monday night, he ran 17 times. He's available in more than 80% of leagues at FoxSports.com. He's someone you can look at. Here's another one that's a little more under the radar. Rob Kelly on the Redskins, and here's why. Last week, Matt Jones kind of got yanked from the game for a while after he fumbled, and he's had an issue, and Jay Gruden said, he's got to take care of the ball. Well, Rob Kelly is the guy who stands to do well. Now, Rob Kelly's not a huge talent. He's probably not going to be a guy, who's going to run for 100 yards a game, but he could be solid if he gets the opportunity, and he might be one Matt Jones fumble away.
In terms of Spencer Ware, do you think this is a guy that continues to produce, or do you start to see Charles get into the picture more? I know we knew that was going to be a concern when Charles came back, but so far it really hasn't affected Ware the way we thought it would.
It hasn't, and I think Ware's going to continue to be good. At this point, I think over the past 2 years, he's carried the ball 170 times, and he's averaging almost 5.5 yards a carry. I don't know why people think that the Chiefs are just going to replace him. He's really good, but I think over the rest of the year, it seems pretty clear to me that Ware is going to be the busier back in that backfield, and even if Charles cuts into his workload some, he's still going to be pretty good.